Welcome back to Findtutoronline.net. Today let's talk a little about the role of AI in stock trading.
The stock market. A complex beast, fueled by information, emotion, and a dash of unpredictability. But what if there was a way to harness the power of technology to make smarter investment decisions? Enter artificial intelligence, AI.
Imagine sifting through mountains of financial data, company reports, news articles, social media sentiment. For us, it's an insurmountable task. But AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying trends and patterns invisible to the naked eye. This allows AI to predict market movements. By analyzing historical data and current trends, AI can suggest potential future stock prices. Identify undervalued stocks. AI can uncover hidden gems, companies with strong fundamentals that the market might be overlooking.
Humans are emotional creatures, prone to making decisions based on emotions. No matter how stoic we try to be, fear and greed can cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions under the influence of our emotions. AI, however, is emotionless. AI can execute trades based on logic, not emotions. This helps avoid panic selling or buying into a frenzy. Manage risk effectively. AI can set stop-loss orders and adjust positions based on market conditions.
AI isn't just for Wall Street wizards. Thanks to AI-powered trading platforms, even regular investors can benefit. These platforms offer personalized investment recommendations. AI tailors suggestions to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sentiment analysis. Understand how news and social media chatter might impact a stock's price.
Despite AI's power, it's important to remember it's still a tool. Here's where human expertise comes in. Investors should understand the limitations of AI. The market is complex, and there's no guarantee of success. Do your own research. AI insights are valuable, but don't blindly follow them. The role of AI in the stock market continues to evolve. While it won't replace human judgment entirely, AI can be a powerful ally for investors of all levels.
AI isn't just about predicting prices. It's also being used to identify fraudulent activity. AI can detect unusual trading patterns that might indicate market manipulation. Develop new investment strategies. AI can analyze complex data sets to uncover new investment opportunities. As AI plays a bigger role, we need to consider the ethical implications. We need to ensure AI is used responsibly and transparently. Here are some concerns. Algorithmic bias. If AI models are trained on biased data, it can perpetuate inequalities in the market. Black box problem. Some AI models are complex, making it difficult to understand their decision-making process. Regulations and industry standards are being developed to address these concerns.
AI isn't for everyone. Here's who might benefit most. Busy investors. AI can save time and streamline the investment process. New investors. AI can provide guidance and reduce the learning curve. Risk-averse investors. AI can help manage risk and make calculated decisions. However, investors who enjoy active research and a hands-on approach might prefer traditional methods.
The future of stock trading is likely a collaboration between human and artificial intelligence. Investors will leverage AI's analytical power while using their own judgment and experience to make informed choices. AI offers exciting possibilities for the stock market. It can empower investors to make smarter decisions and navigate the complexities of the market with greater confidence. But it is only with human touch can it be used to its max potential.
That was it for today about AI and stock trading. By the way, are you a student of quantitative finance pursuing a CQF? Are you stressed out by all your assignments and deadlines? If the answer is yes, then we here at Findtutoronline.net can help you. At Findtutoronline, we help delegates with complete assignment help and solutions guides for computational finance. We guarantee the results and assure a 100% money-back guarantee. With Findtutoronline, you can now meet all your project deadlines with ease and focus on the stuff that really matters. Registrations are going on for the June 24th cohort. To know more, check the description of this video.